Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Desi TV USA, DTVNN. I am Tabinda Gul. Let's take a look at the regional news. Baba Guru Nanak Kabaddi Mela scheduled for November 9, 2024. Protest against dams on Indus River by Jason Mahaz. Human rights movement advocates for Dr. Afia Siddiqui's clemency. Dr. Adnan Arshad received honor at International Climate Symposium. And traffic redesign initiative launched by Commissioner Sahiwal. These are headlines. Lead to news detail. The Baba Guru Nanak Kabaddi Mela will be held on November 9th at Quaid-e-Azam Sports Stadium, Shahkot, Nankana Sahib, organized by the Baba Guru Nanak Hockey Academy to celebrate Baba Guru Nanak 555th birthday. The tournament features 4 teams and offer cash prizes of rupees 5 lakh for the winners and 3 lakhs for the runner-ups. The third and fourth places will each receive rupees 1.5 lakh. Notable guests for the final match include Sardar Amlok Singh Khakal and Punjab Assembly members Rana Mohammad Arshad. On October 26, Jason Mahaz, led by Riyaz Chandio, will protest against 6 dams on the Indus River in Mitiari and Kambar Shaddad Court. Chandio criticized the recent approval of the 26th Amendment Bill. Claiming in deep injustice in since amid a water crisis, he urged public participations in the protest to oppose these developments and highlighted concerns over land grabs and food insecurity in the region. The international human rights movement led by Rana Basharat Ali Khan is calling for clemency for Dr. Afia Siddiqui, imprisoned in the US since 2008. Serving an 86-year sentence for a controversial conviction, Siddiqui's health and family situations raised concern. Advocates argue that her clemency could enhance US-Pakistan relations and align with human rights principles, drawing supports from various human rights organizations. Dr. Adnan Arshad was honored at the International Climate Symposium in Berlin for his work on mitigating agriculture's greenhouse gas emissions. As a young researcher, he emphasized agriculture, including intercropping and precision irrigation. His proposed roadmap aims to improve collaborations on climate mitigations and enhance agriculture's resilience. Commissioner Sahiwal Shoaib Iqbal Sayyed has initiated the redesign of 4 major intersections to improve traffic flow under the PSAP program. In a recent meeting, he stressed the urgent need to replace damaged street lights and address installation challenges. Efforts to beauty Jinnah Library Chowk and build a memorial there are also underway. We are excited to announce that the early voting has officially begun across America. This is an important opportunity for US citizens to make their voices heard ahead of election days. Early voting allows you to cast your ballot at your convenience to a candidate you like, ensuring that your vote counts in shaping the future of your communities and country. Desi TV USA, DTVNN and our OTT platform DTV Flix, Pakistan Chronicle, South Asian Chronicle, encouraging everyone to take advantage of these opportunities. Check your local election office for detail on early voting locations and hours in your area. Remember, your participation is vital to US democracy and your democratic rights. Let's make our voices heard. Please stay engaged and must vote and tell others to vote. There are a few Pakistani Americans contesting elections throughout the USA and especially in Texas Fort Bend County, Harris County, Dallas County, and Bexar County. Early voting October 21st through November 1st, 2024. Election day is always only Tuesday in November, and it's on November 5th, Tuesday. If you miss early voting, it is important to note that the general elections in the United States is scheduled for Tuesday, November 5th, 2024.
You came to this country for a brighter future for you and your loved ones. You've made it this far. Now it's time to become a citizen. With citizenship, you gain the right to vote, access to federal jobs, the ability to keep your family closer, and the freedom to travel with a U.S. passport. These are just a few of the benefits waiting for you when you become eligible. We're here to help you through the process with free resources and personalized guidance. Together, we can make it easier. Get started at becomeacitizentoday.com.
Meet the tools that help reduce flood risk across Harris County. From channels to stormwater detention basins to floodplain preservation, the Harris County Flood Control District manages each one with a single goal: flood risk reduction. because they impact our quality of life with benefits like avoided damages, an expanded urban forest, and room for trails and green spaces. Flood risk reduction efforts have an impact on our quality of life. Learn more at hcfcd.org.
This is me, Tabinda, signing off. Stay tuned for more news. Desi TV USA, DTVNN, and our OTT platform DTV Flex, where you can access to over 3,000 channels. So stay tuned and stay with us.